chest, fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze, crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, how are you? It's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. Today's video, it's a hard one because this is just, you know, you try your best and things just don't turn out at all the way you were hoping. I had told you, whatever you want to say. I'm so disappointed about wanting to make this little goose. This pattern is by Bedabee, B-D-A-B-E-E. So she has little QR codes, I guess they are, that you could put it up and it'll take you to the link in YouTube where she shows you certain things of how to do whatever, you know. I only did that once, and just to see, I don't even know what it was, but she doesn't talk. It's one of those you just have to watch. So that's fine. You know, that's how she's doing it. Not a big deal. It's all my fault. I was having trouble using bulky yarn with a 4mm hook. It was too hard. I couldn't pull through. So I decided to change it and go to number 4 worsted weight. Well, maybe I should have changed the hook size too. I did everything that the pattern said. I didn't skip. I took my time yesterday. I sat here at my little craft table in the morning room, right off to the kitchen. I sat here. I had no TV on. I did not skip anything. I took my time. I even, if it was a repeat that you had to do, say 12 single crochets or 24, whatever it is, I wrote it on paper and then crossed it out so that I did not mess up what number I was on. I even had to add some at one point, and I'll show you why when I show you this catastrophe. I don't even know what to say. Here is hers, right? And it's very embarrassing trying to show you this because I have a YouTube channel for crochet. And here I'm showing you this absolutely ridiculous thing. It's very embarrassing, but I'm honest, you know, this is an honest place here. Here's mine. It turned out like crap. The neck's too fat. I don't even understand. It sure did not come out thin like hers. And, you know, you can see, I didn't overstuff it. You can see where it started decreasing. This thing is awful. But here's the thing. I did it, so it's done. I'm good with that, fine. I just won't make any more. It's stupid. It's terrible. I hate it. Maybe someone, and I know I saw someone who made it, so it must be me. I just can't do it. But I'm sure that person used the correct yarn. My fault. So then yesterday, I decided, last night, I have never watercolored as an adult, I should say. You know, when you're kids, you got some and you just did whatever. But I never watercolored as an adult, ever. Well, I went to Walmart a couple months ago and I bought this watercolor. Now these are in tubes. This is different than when you get that metal palette, but I don't mind I think it comes out the same in a sense. Like, I don't think I think they're good. I don't think they're all that bad or anything like that. I don't know what I'm doing. And I said I would never show anybody this. And Dave was like, oh no, you must, because, you know, it just shows that you're trying and whatever. I don't know why. And I don't know why I'm listening to him, but this looks like a kid did it. I watched Andrea Nelson. I've been watching her on Instagram, on Facebook. Now I'm following her on YouTube. She had this whole YouTube thing. And you know, how dumb, I know this. You can't just go flying into something. You have to gradually get up to that. She has things that, you know, practice this, that, and the third thing. But I didn't do that. And anytime you put a mark on or paint on watercolor and it's wet, it spreads. It's very uneven unless you know what you're doing. So I tried to make a bunny, and this is how it turned out. It's so bad. But I did tell you I would show you. So yesterday, it was just a complete failure. But I don't feel so bad with the bunny because I know with practice, I can do this. I just have to practice other things. You know, maybe just even swatches, which they do, of the watercolor. And, you know, I can do that. I'm not giving up on that. I'm not giving up on crochet either. I do have another project that I was going to do. I picked out the yarns. I don't have the exact yarn that they're showing. And I'll show you what I'm going to make. I think everybody is, it's trending. Tell me if you've seen it. But I feel like it's trending. And the pattern is from what? I thought it was, oh my. Wait a minute here. Well, I was wrong. I thought it was, oh my. What a video this is gonna be. I thought it was from Crochet Crowd, and it's Croutons Crochet, I don't even know. But it's the peanut butter and jelly fish pattern. Have you seen this? There it is. I'm gonna try. It's bulky yarn, but you're using a 6mm crochet hook. So that makes sense to me. And that's what I'm gonna try. I must be nuts. But I just don't want to go to blankets or things like that. I don't know. I do have to start on the project that I'm going to do for the Decade Divas, which is the Nifty 90s. I think that's what it was. So I have ideas for that. I'm gonna start working on that, but I can't show you guys that until October. So, you know, I want to have something else that I'm doing too. So, you know, maybe I'll do a little bit of that. Who knows? I haven't started it yet, but I'm going to. and still have other things going on. And I don't know, I just feel like I'm going to do more watercolor. There's other things I want to do too with markers and yeah, I got all these Sharpies. Came in a big box or a big container at Christmas, and so I put them in here. There's a whole bunch. Sorry, there's a whole bunch, and there's some doodles and things that this one other, I can't think of her name, that I watch on Facebook and YouTube. And these are just things, they're supposed to be calming and stuff like that. I really looked them up for Katie because she has such anxiety, and I thought we could even do this together, and it just looked fun. And I like being creative. Even if the process turns out to a piece of crap at times, it's okay because it'll get better. And you know, you can't do something without learning, you know. Maybe you have good luck and it comes out right, but you know, usually it takes time. So anyway, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Pattern's rough, but it's got heart.